We're here at Shift Sector, Marion, Indiana, 2025. We're about to see some real fast passes.
Holy!
What up, Hitch? Look at that, the cusp of sunrise. Supercharged Cadillac. Time to go watch some racing, guys. Rolling in, baby. Shift Sector half mile. Me and Mitch. This is sick. Took the Blackwing up here. First pass goes down in about 10 minutes. Just in time.
So we just showed up at Shift Sector, this half-mile drag event in Marion, Indiana.
Yep.
There goes a little. We drove the Blackwing here today. Pull up next to a GT500 with the carbon package, you know, all carboned up, baby. Check out this wing. Dang. Should see some cool cars, some very fast cars. Got underground racing up first. We got here bright and early so we can see the fastest passes. Lambo coming back into the pits.
AZ Cycle Parts, Huracan, the record holder currently. Oh, we got a couple cars doing some rips. GT500, C6.
STO back in action. Something happened.
Not sure if the underground car hurt itself or not. Fire at the top end when it crossed the half-mile marker, and now she's getting towed back in.
Well, wicked though.
Uh-oh, I hear something.
Just mad wild. Look at the wheel on this baby. Holy shit. Oh my. Holy. Whole bunch of different cars here. As you can see, you got a damn Trans Am up in here.
Big transy.
Got a couple of vets.
Ooh.
Here goes Gen 3.
Gen 4 ACR.
Gen 4, is that an ACR?
Yeah. Got a lot of 911s here. A lot of 911s here. 997, 991, 992. Packed event. This thing is nasty. So is this. This. Obviously this.
Pretty cool. A bunch of cars. And a husband and wife here driving two Camaros. Two Camaros coming out. Pretty dope. Bunch of GT 350Rs, GT 500s. There's another one of their 350Rs. Little Fox body G8. Love the old school. New school right here, some C8s. This guy's right here. Yeah, I know what he's doing. He's pulling up. I'll let him do his thing.
Good. tire on the back of this guy. And I think it's still an H-pattern car.
How you guys doing?
What's up,
Awesome,
brother?
man.
How
Is
are
this
you,
your car?
No, it's, I think he might be in the trailer.
It's an H-pattern car still?
Yep, still an H-pattern car.
Wow.
Yeah, we saw
man.
it taking off earlier, man. This thing was just, every gear is just fucking
Screaming. Screaming. What a car.
Still H-pattern with the clutch, there's no dog rings. It's a sequential, or not sequential, it's still a synchronized manual.
Got it.
The goal for the weekend was 230, it still is.
What's top speed so far?
I want to say it's been as fast as 226.
226? You're close.
Twin Daddy.
Our first pass off the trailer this morning, we did a 220 change. So
Yeah, I think we've seen that one, man. It's just every gear was just spinning. Holy shit. That's crazy.
battle attraction.
I bet. Bunch of cool cars, man. C5s, there's from friends out in Colorado. They're part of this group. Guy in a Subaru Forester that's been running it all day. Up R8's McLaren. Go catch up with the homies.
I'll tell you guys, when the pissers got AC in them, let me tell you something.
Pretty
Just
cool.
digging this 1400R package. GT
Very cool,
350.
man.
This thing's awesome. It's been running like 181 and a half right now.
Sick.
It's a really, really, really sick, clean build. Look at that intake on there.
It's so clean.
And valve covers, Fat House Performance. That's just awesome. Super sick car.
What's up, dude? How you doing?
Someone
Wanna
asked me
guess?
Mitch how tall he is. Some random person.
7 foot on the
Damn near 6'11". What's happening? How you doing?
Walking these cars.
Killer, right? Where are you from, bro?
Here.
He's pretty tall, isn't he?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
He's a tall guy. He's about to give someone from a college a ride along in there. I don't remember what university is it, but some university has an automotive program, and they're here at the event today, which is really cool. Big props to that university. He's about to give some young university student a rip and some 2,000 horsepower Corvette.
Ow, ow, our boy Dahood. So sick. What up, Matt? They got a dope vet giving student rides. Another cool vet here. They gotta pause the races momentarily for our boys here. Hood and Zach coming in. This is dope. What an entrance, man. Let's go! Touchdown, baby! Yeah! Let's go! And Abusa just ran for the 12th time today. Matt and I got a couple guests here.
Yeah, two friends of ours. Our one buddy, Dahood, his YouTube page is called Hood Aviation. We'll put it in the description below. And then our other buddy, Zach, with the Supra. You might have seen him maybe in one or two videos before.
He's got the MK5
Yeah.
pulling up here. They got the special VIP. Let's go! We are walking away from the event to go visit a jet, the Vision jet.
This is Underground Racing's little, what is this called? What is this called?
Cirrus Vision Jet.
There you go, that's what it is. Excuse my ignorance, but wow, is it cool. What a thing. Casual turboprop takeoff in the middle of Airstrip Attack, half mile.
Look at that, just landed too.
Yeah, he's good. He's on. It's kind of like big.
Well, why would that guy be there?
He's probably feeling on.
Damn, he let up.
Light up, got
A little sideways there already.
saucy up in San Antonio.
Yeah. Crawfish.
Shift Sector does it pretty right for the VIPs. Got some taco stuff being fried up. Take a look at this caddy coming here. Look at the wing on this thing.
this? Getting out of GTR? Holy. Man, that's gotta be 220. Heat though.
Couple cool guy cars. I didn't film it, but this guy coming here on this bike, he just did 206, and right here, the finish line is right there. He was smoking the back tire. Must have been doing 180 spinning the back tire right here. The finish line's right there, and he did 206. What a madman. What a car.
Man, that was good. We just got back pulling in the shop, you know, Matt doing his business.